So this is where it drops.
I think maybe you can carry and connect to the
Couplings?
yeah,
If I do that, I'm gonna have to open up this wall more.
yeah.
Yeah, because
Broken.
I need to access that.
Yeah.
You want me to do that?
Do it. Cut it right here. And then make it one piece little. You have a phone to carry?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got couplings?
The
Rubber couplings?
Rubber cup, yeah.
Bring me 2.
How much? How is
Inch and a quarter.
inch and a quarter? Okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the vent pipe. They want me to snake, cut the pipe here and then snake it down because of how it tees in there. I guess they're having issues. Everything's draining. Alright. As you can see, all tidy. They're going to come in, close this off, put an access panel here just in case it needs to be opened up again. And as you can see, the water's running. So this has been a bathroom sink, not draining. They tried to look after it, couldn't do it. They got me in here. They asked me to open up the wall. When they asked me to open up the wall, I opened up the wall. I probably could have cleared it from underneath this thing, but what they asked me to do is what I did. So until next time, it's been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Shrug.